Jamaican curry chicken is a beloved island classic, bursting with bold flavors, tender meat, and rich aromatic spices. Whether slow-cooked in coconut milk, paired with vegetables, or given a spicy twist, this dish captures the heart of Caribbean home cooking. Jamaican curry chicken, a taste of the islands. Jamaican curry chicken is one of the most iconic dishes in Caribbean cuisine. A flavorful blend of tender chicken simmered in rich aromatic spices that create a taste both comforting and exciting. What makes Jamaican curry chicken unique is the distinctive Jamaican curry powder, known for its deep yellow color and slightly earthy, spicy flavor. Unlike Indian or Thai curries, the Jamaican version often includes allspice, pimento, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, thyme, and scallions, giving it that unmistakable island flair.